Don't let your ego get in the way of you cheering and celebrating for yourself. Your ego will have you thinking that the numbers you've been putting up are small. It will have you thinking that the people you're comparing yourself with are light years beyond and past you, and that you are failing. Your ego will have you believing that you should quit and try something new. When I tell you, it's time for you to rethink that approach. Okay, so check me out. In the land of YouTube, right? Think about it. We see people with millions of subscribers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, thousands of subscribers, right? You think when you only have a couple hundred subscribers, or even less than that, that you are failing. And so many people quit at this stage, right? You're thinking that you put the amount of work in necessary to level to the next stage. But have you seen a room full of 100 people? 200, 300 people? First off, 1 million people that's a moonshot. I don't even think that's most people's goal. But a couple hundred people in a room, if you were to walk and speak exactly how you are and exactly how you speak in a room full of a couple hundred people, you would be, for one, so proud of yourself when you finish, because that would be an amazing feat. So I want you to start celebrating yourself more. I am speaking directly to myself. You see, a lot of times we get in our own mind and we start analyzing and we start coping with the reality that we're currently living. And that takes our mind and awareness off of what it is we are supposed to be what it is we are working towards. Yes, don't resist what is. Don't resist the fact that you have a couple hundred, a couple thousand followers right now. At the same time, do you know how many people that actually is? That's a lot of people. Think about it. Your high school graduating class was probably a couple hundred people. If you were one of the people who stood in front of your graduation class and spoke, or if you saw the people that spoke at your high school graduation, if you think about that in true reality, right? Everybody congratulated them like, you did a great job, because that's a lot of people. And even if it was 20 people, standing in front of 20 people, standing in front of 200 people, standing in front of 2,000, 20,000, that's a lot of people. And we have to remove ourselves from comparing to everyone else out here online. If you are an aspiring content creator, or if you are a business owner and you're using content as a funnel to get people to learn more about your business and what solutions your products and services have to offer, doing online content is a great option. First off, it's free. You get to practice as long as you want to. No one can really make you quit except you. And then people get to find you on their own, and you get to grow as you do it. It's literally a win-win. The only way you will lose is if you quit. The only way we will lose is if we look at our numbers and say, this isn't working, and then we quit. Quitting is the only way to lose. Ooh, y'all saw that lightning? I say that to say I want to encourage anyone who's feeling down about where they are in their life. This isn't just about online numbers. This is just about in life in general. You think that you're too old. You think that your age, that you have outlived the portion of your life where you should have made it. You think that you can't go back to school and get continuing education that's going to further along your career, or just your knowledge. You can literally educate yourself without a degree. Okay? You can literally educate yourself. It's people out here showing you and giving you the blueprint on how to educate yourself, how to level up in literally every area of your life for free, using the library, especially if you live in the United States. I don't think y'all realize the amount of resources that we have available to us for free. I know people talk a lot of junk about being from the United States, but there are not many places where you can go into a place, check out a book that would normally cost $20, $30, and take it home with you for 2 weeks. Read as much of it as you can, recheck it out if you didn't finish until you finish the book. Or we could check out computers and laptops. You can rent, if you have young students, you can get access to free Wi-Fi from like T-Mobile. There are so many different programs that when I hear people have the excuses of why they are where they are, it's really hard for me to empathize and sympathize. And I feel like you get one shot to excuse yourself, and then after that, after you get a blueprint and a plan to level up your life, then it's up to you to want to do it. Like, I can't do it for you. The people who you want to see your videos can't find you if you stop putting videos out, right? If you stop recording, getting better, if you stop doing the things necessary for more people to find out about you online, then that will be on you. But what you can do is focus on your inputs and getting better, or keep going, getting better, keep going, giving out whatever it is that you have. You got to do something, all right? You have to appreciate the people who show up for you. Like, yes, you have one comment on your video. One person from somewhere in the world that you don't even know, you don't know their name, because most people don't even use their name as their username, literally took the time to comment on your video. I'm going to respond to them as quickly as I can, wishing you a beautiful day, even if it was just an emoji. Why? Because I truly appreciate everyone who takes the time to share this time with me here online. What a beautiful experience. We get to communicate with people without even astral projecting, without even teleporting. We get to communicate with people from around the world without teleporting, without even speaking their language. Someone wrote a comment in, I think it was in Russian. I just clicked see translation and I knew what they said immediately. Like, I didn't have to code it. I didn't have to work hard to figure out what they said. I didn't have to take a picture of it, put it through Encarta. Y'all know nothing about that. That was like a digital encyclopedia to figure out what they said. Like, no, it's just there. It was just there. And I'm so grateful for everyone who has continued to show up, and I'm looking forward to growing this community. I truly believe that we can master our minds so that we can transform our life. I did it, I'm doing it, and I'm not stopping. I believe that physical fitness is the foundation to my freedom. I also believe that having a business is the only option for me, and I believe that it's the only option for everyone. If you are a creation of the creator, you should be creating and sharing your creation in exchange for currency. And if we all do it, everyone wins. And I don't believe in the old saying that everything's oversaturated. If another burger restaurant open up, nothing is oversaturated. How many of everything do we have? It doesn't just belong to big corporations. You can get in the game. You can be a part of this entire experience. Instead of complaining about certain people having all the wealth and how they use it, get in the game and you get some of it. It's abundance. It's more than enough. It doesn't stop just because it's in one bank account. They want their currency to move, right? It's literally called currency. That's how it circulates. That's how it makes more. But anyways, I want us all to appreciate where we are. I want you to celebrate yourself more, whether it's your birthday season or not. You should be celebrating the progress that you're making. If you have not quit on yourself, celebrate that good time, okay? It's such a monumental thing. Less comparison, more celebrating. You deserve it. I deserve it. So we're going to turn up. All right. Turn up for yourself. Even if you have to do a little happy dance in the middle of your work and get back to work, do that. Create, celebrate. Create, celebrate. Create, celebrate. All right. Thank you so much for watching today's video. In the meantime, in between time, my name is Aspire BJ, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know.